So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a brand new tool called VidNexus AI. I will be showing you exactly what it is, how it works, and whether it's actually worth it. Also, make sure you stick around till the end because I have a coupon code that will get you an instant discount. Plus, I have 21 exclusive bonuses for you as well. So let's just get right into it. So first of all, let me tell you what VidNexus AI actually is. Basically, it's a tool that helps you create kids videos. And when I say kids videos, I mean things like bedtime stories, animated story movies, learning videos, and even baby podcast. All of these just by typing a simple idea into the tool. Now, let's just watch the demo video.
Bunny picked the sweetest carrots, but today he found something. The
I'm so hungry.
Every morning, Bunny picked the sweetest carrots, but today he found something. The biggest carrot ever.
I'm so hungry. I couldn't find any nuts today. Thank you. I can't fly to find food. You're so kind.
Luna loved her three playful monkeys, Max, Mia, and Noah. Every night they gathered under the twinkling stars to listen to her bedtime stories. Tonight, Luna told them the tale of the enchanted forest. The monkeys listened with wide eyes, imagining the magical creatures they had described. As Luna's voice grew softer, Max yawned and Mia snuggled closer. Noah stretched out, his eyes fighting sleep. Soon, all three monkeys were fast asleep, dreaming of the enchanted forest.
Now let me walk you through some of the features that really stood out to me. First, VidNexus AI gives you over 200 ready-made animated characters that are completely kid-safe. We are talking animals, dinosaurs, superheroes, princesses, cartoon kids. There is a huge variety of pick from. And if you want something more unique, there is also a custom character creator where you can build your own character and turn it into your channel's mascot. Then there are over 300 AI voices available in more than 60 languages. So if you want to create content not just in English but also in Spanish, French, Portuguese, Hindi, you can do that easily. And these voices are specifically designed to sound warm and friendly for kids, which is really important for this type of content. One thing I really liked is the long form video feature. Most AI video tools out there stop you at 60 seconds or maybe a few minutes, but VidNexus AI has no length limit at all. You can create full animated story movies that are 20 minutes, 30 minutes, even 60 minutes or longer, and that's huge. It also has a baby podcast studio built right in, where you can create full podcast episodes with child friendly AI narrators. No mic, no recording, nothing like that, as you saw in the demo video. You can even publish them directly to Spotify, Apple Podcast, and YouTube. Now, when it comes to the finishing touches, captions, background music, sound effects, all of that gets added automatically. You don't have to do any of it manually. And when your video is ready, you can export it in multiple formats like vertical for Reels and TikTok, square for Instagram, or widescreen for YouTube, all from the same project. Then you can publish it directly to your social media accounts right from inside the dashboard without switching between different apps. And lastly, if you want to create multiple videos at once, there is a bulk mode for that. There is also a content calendar so you can plan and schedule your uploads in advance. And the whole thing works on your phone too, so you are not tied to your laptop. All right, let's talk about the price. So VidNexus AI is currently available for a one-time payment of $14.94. That means you pay once and you get lifetime access. And on top of that, I have an exclusive coupon code for you. Just use the code VIDN3 at checkout and you will get a flat $3 off instantly. So you are basically getting this tool for under $12, which is honestly a really good deal for what it does. Now, let's talk about the bonuses because this is actually really good. When you grab VidNexus AI today, you are not just getting the tool itself, you are also getting 5 free bonuses that come along with it. There is a faceless kids channel blueprint, which basically gives you a step-by-step 30-day plan to set up and grow your channel. Then there are 500 ready-made video prompt ideas, so you never have to sit there wondering what to create next. You also get a monetization playback that explains all the different ways you can make money from your kids channel. On top of that, there is a client getting kit with email templates and proposal documents if you want to sell videos to clients. And finally, there is a live onboarding workshop where the team actually shows you how to build a channel from scratch and you can ask them anything. So those are the bonuses that come directly from the product. But I also have something special for you. If you grab with Nexus AI through my link in the description below, you'll get my 21 exclusive bonuses completely free on top of everything else. These are bonuses I have personally put together to help you get even more out of this tool. You can find all the details for those in my Medium. The link is also down in the description, so make sure you check that out. Now, I know some of you might be still a little unsure about trying something new, and that's completely fine. But here is the thing, with Nexus AI comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you get in, try it out, and for any reason you feel like it's just not for you, all you have to do is send an email to their support team and they'll give you a full refund. Alright guys, so that's my full review of VidNexus AI. If you want to grab it, just click the link in the description below and don't forget to use the coupon code VIDN3 at checkout to get your instant $3 discount. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future reviews. If you have any questions about VidNexus AI, just drop them in the comments below and I will be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.